hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So congratulations to the people who already invested in Dwarka Expressway. This video is special for those viewers and for the investor as well who are still seeking to invest in a Dwarka Expressway in a luxury segment. तो आज मैं बात करने वाली हूँ BPTP प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में. बिजनेस पार्क टाउन प्लानर एंड ओनर इज काबुल चावला. BPTP के दो प्रोजेक्ट ऑलरेडी लॉन्च हुए थे, टेरा एंड BPTP एम्स्टोरिया. उनका बहुत ही अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आया, लोगों को बहुत पसंद आया. अब उनका नया एक प्रोजेक्ट आ रहा है. The BPTP is going to launch a very ultra-luxury segment in the sector 37D. 37D सेक्टर एक अपने आप में ही बहुत ही लोगों का फर्स्ट फेमस सेक्टर बन जाता है. लग्जरी कॉन्सेप्ट ट्विन टॉल टावर विद 35 स्टोरी विद a bang on location on the Dwarka Expressway. BPTP Amario was a long-awaited project. Since the beginning of Expressway has tremendously contributed on this particular location. It has around like so many plots they have launched in the previous time. Approximately 38,000 per square yard पे ये प्लॉट लॉन्च हुए थे एंड आज के टाइम पे उन प्लॉट की प्राइसिंग बहुत बियॉन्ड एक्सपेक्टेशन जा चुकी है. रिजल्ट हम सबके सामने है कि BPTP पे इन्वेस्टमेंट क्यों करना आज के टाइम पर आने वाले टाइम के लिए आपके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक बहुत ही अच्छा इन्वेस्टमेंट बन सकता है. So BPTP holds the big land parcel at the particular location. The reason is this: it divided in the sector 102 and 37D. दोनों ही लैंड पार्सल बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं. आज डिमांड लग्जरी की है. द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे has touched the level which is probably even currently as per experts' assumption that it is just the beginning of Dwarka Expressway. Amario is positioned as a luxury project. The concept is of a royal twin tower. They are touching the right sentiments of the market. So low density is the concept in which only 248 apartments, only to be very precise. Also these apartments will carry only one configuration. We used to talk about the luxury, it means bigger spaces. So it has a 4 bedroom plus servant category at around 37 square feet. This is majestic facade royal twin tower concept where BPTP is to develop a clubhouse which is probably by far the biggest in terms of the ratio of the apartment in that particular society. They have announced majestic clubhouse and loaded with amenities, and they have included one of the top international brand as a designing partner of the particular project. So अब हम बात करेंगे प्राइसिंग की. तो प्राइसिंग इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर फॉर बोथ एंड यूजर्स एंड स्पेशली फॉर दोज यूजर्स जिन्होंने द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे के इनिशियल लेवल ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया था. तो उनके लिए ये बेस्ट एडवांटेज होने वाला है टू इन्वेस्ट इन द लग्जरी सेगमेंट एट द द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे. दिस अ वेरी बैंग ऑन लोकेशन एंड to utilize this advantage and invest in the BPTP Amario. It's time for the amenities and the specification which the BPTP is going to provide you. So we have a 7 elevator in each tower, podium living designed by top international architects, grade A contractor. Only 250 families in 5-acre land parcel, exclusively community of like-minded people. Single size apartment of 3500 square feet area. 11 फीट हाइट. VRV वेंटिलेशन होने वाली है. एयर कंडीशनिंग आपको मिलेगी ताकि द हीटिंग एंड कूलिंग कैपेसिटी आपको मिलने वाली है. 7-star क्लब हाउस विद वर्ल्ड क्लास एमिनिटीज एंड फैसिलिटीज. 70 feet long sky walk in each apartment. Spacious bedroom, attractive payment plan, fully loaded apartment with best in class specification. AI powered smart home, operational schools and hospital in the vicinity. Located in close proximity to upcoming global city. 5-star security मिलने वाली है. वास्तु कंप्लेंट प्रोजेक्ट एंट्री होगी. 2 master bedroom concept है. Spacious balcony with each room. 4 to a core on the each floor. So the launch rate will be at 17,250 per square feet. PLC applicable 1,000 rupees per square feet. So people who are working in the Medanta hospital or and living in the sector 32 or living there, they can easily access, and the people who are coming from the Delhi, they can get the easily sorted location. exactly the ultra luxury segment. So that means the apartment are fully loaded with the top-notch specification, everything you will get in the particular apartment. Now we are going to talk about the pricing, payment plan and the type of categories. तो जो प्रीमियम प्लान होने वाला है वो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 35-30 का होने वाला है, और जो टाइप आपको मिलेगा वो लार्ज साइज मिलने वाला है, 4 BHK +7 प्लस स्काई डेक दैट मीन्स कि आपको एक बहुत ही ह्यूज लाविश बालकनी मिलने वाली है, बहुत ही स्पेशियस बालकनी मिलने वाली है। और जो प्राइसिंग है वो 17,250 पर स्क्वायर फीट, अप्रॉक्सीमेटली आई कैन से 17,000 to 18,000 पर स्क्वायर फीट, एंड उसमें 1,000 रुपीज़ पर स्क्वायर फीट PLC भी लगेगी। BPTP, there is no doubt about this particular builder with a track record of over 20 years. If you are looking out for the luxury launch, what you would be like to give to your family, a 3,700 square feet mansion, it is a premium offering. After all, BPTP stands at the top with this project in this part of Astoria, and the Terra have already has a big hit. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video. So do reach out to us so that we can explain the project in detail, and we can conduct the site visit with a team of expert advisor. So we are just one phone call away. Just call us on the mentioned number so that we can help you out. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you guys in another video. Till then, bye. Take care.